Access denied using Py2exe. I'm using Py2exe to create an executable as a Windows service. When I run the script I get this error. File c/teamcity/build-agent/work/db/dbac/winpython/win-python/bit/python/lib/site packages/py/exe/build_xepy, line 860, in build_executable add_resource, ensure_unicode, exe_path, script_bytes, Python script, 1, true, runtime error, source, access is denied. This is the call to Py2exe. The problem occurs only on the build machine, it runs fine on my dev PC. I've tried to set full control to everyone on the work folder, but it doesn't work. Any idea? Thank you.
After 2 days investigating, we found a solution with the help of the IT staff. The issue arises when Py2exe try to modify the executable adding metadata and / or icon. The root cause? Simple, antivirus. It considers that operation a threat and cause the access denied error. Thank you all.
I found that disconnecting from the internet was enough to solve the problem, though this is probably related to the disabling the antivirus solution proposed.
Another possible solution is that you already have a dist folder with files in it. I forgot I had already run Py2exe. Removed the folder and it worked again.
The problem is likely an antivirus program blocking write access to .exe files, as others have noted. If you cannot or do not want to disable antivirus, the following patch at the beginning of your setup.py file will rename the file to avoid the .exe extension before the modification and rename it back after.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.